Attention Rush County and surrounding communities. You are formally invited to our Lad Dental Group of Rushville open house, which will be taking place Thursday, July 2nd from 2 to 4 p.m. Dr. Olsen Cottle and the remarkable Lad Dental Group of Rushville team will be there, and we really look forward to meeting you guys, meeting your families, and seeing how we can best serve this community. Dr. Olsen Cottle is bilingual in both English and Spanish, and we look forward to serving you and your family's dental needs. Here at Lad Dental Group, we do take most dental insurance, including HIP and Medicaid. So please comment down below, let us know how we can help. I have personally been blown away so far by the community's response to us coming. It's really been a fun experience, already being able to engage with some of the community members through Facebook comments and some of the posting activity that's been taking place. We also can't say enough good things about our contractors in Patterson for putting on their skates and absolutely running to the finish line. So our go live date is Monday, July 6th. So again, comment down below, and we really look forward to meeting you and your family this coming Thursday, July 2nd from 2 to 4 p.m. Cheers, guys. Look forward to seeing you there.